Hi guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna be giving three accounts away once, but there is rules. The winners of the giveaway will be announced once I hit 20 subscribers. So to win the account, you have to subscribe, like this video, and yeah. Oh gosh, what have I done? Subscribe, like this video, and yeah, that's it. Comment when you're done also, and I will be giving another account away. My brother just shouted. Baby, there is a rare on each counter. Glitcher Girl, Arrow 3, Glitcher. And I will also be giving this account away, Jubilee. What was that on my shoe? This is the account. Really cute. So yeah, this it's a level 10 also. Has really cute outfits on it. Don't worry, it does. It has some rares on it. I don't know how many. It just has some rares on it. And I will be giving rares. Once I hit 50 subscribers, I will be giving away rares are Gucci, because yeah, why not? We go for the Invitor E. This is not fake, guys. It has bunned up. It has lots of cute outfits, lots of matching outfits. Okay, so first, I think it has 2 pages of hair. It has all these hairs, and that's a lot. 2 pages of hair. It has 1 page of accessories, 2 pages of shoes, 2 pages of bottoms, and 2 pages of t-shirts / dresses. So once I hit 25 subscribers, I will be giving it away. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Sorry for this being short. Yeah, if this account Drip Glitcher 2 currently on my Drip Glitcher 2 and Drip Glitcher Girl X3 are also up for grabs once I hit 25 subscribers. So yeah, guys, that's all I have to say for today, and bye. LY.